Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Today I wanted to pretty much do a horoscope vid for all the zodiac signs for this new month. August, I feel like I need to keep up with freaking dates and stuff, but I'm just gonna go down the list. I'm not using my tarot cards today, so I'm only doing channeling. I'm just gonna do like a brief important message that your guides want you to know, so channeled mediumship. Keep in mind that I have updated my prices to more affordable prices that I feel. You can check out my reviews on Instagram, Oshun_the_great. I am now taking PayPal, Cashapp, and cash in person. You guys have to ask me, where I'm located from here and there. But yeah, enjoy. So first we're going to start with Aries. Now Aries, your guys are encouraging you to be very lighthearted and go with the flow this month. They don't want you to settle, make any commitments really fast. So if you meet someone new, for example, don't move in right away. If you like someone a lot, don't get engaged right away, kind of thing. Just take your time, be lighthearted, be airy. So if you feel encouraged to move about. If you feel like traveling or roaming, do so. But also just pace yourself. You don't have to do everything by yourself or everything all at once. So again, manifesting, the first tool to manifesting anything is picking one thing and sticking to that one thing until it comes into fruition. So try to pick something, and like I always tell people, if you pick something you find out along the way when you manifest it that you don't want it, or you didn't expect it to be like it turned out, you can always go to the next thing you had in mind. So don't be afraid to make a decision. So that's what I get for Aries. Have fun too, so don't be so serious. Now Taurus, you are going to be very goal driven this month. In my mind's eye, I see the bull. So just drive and drive. Very masculine energy. Some of you could be also meeting some romantic aspects this month. Very feminine energies. So if you are very masculine, you could be meeting very feminine attribute, whether in business or romance. So enjoy that union. Some of you guys will be expanding greatly in business. So yeah, that's a good sign. All right, Gemini. Gemini, you guys could I keep getting twins, so I don't know if some of you guys are trying for kids. A lot of signs are going to be trying for kids, and some of you guys are getting engaged November-ish. But Gemini this month is all about balance and maintaining your household and taking care of important things such as family, things of that nature. So you can expect a lot of family reunions, get-togethers, festivities that include family, and expanding your household. Cancer. So some of you guys may be either getting over a sickness or getting over a loved one passing, but some of you guys are coming out of a very dark period of depression. So you are encouraged to get more sunlight, to get outside more, to get your hands on gardening, get dirty, get more involved in the community. So if you've been in hermit mode, try to get outside more. Leos, again, soulmate unions are coming in for a lot of signs. I feel a very strong union. If you aren't already in one already, you're just encouraged to stick to your guns, stick to what you know. Risk isn't that important for a lot of signs this month. It's more so of expanding on what you have already built, and collabing with people who are on a similar journey. So that's pretty much what I'm getting for Leo. Virgos, you're kind of encouraged to reach. My guys are saying reach for the stars. So and all signs can take from this is, don't settle. Basically, for Virgos, one second, guys. So for Virgos, you're basically encouraged to reach for the stars, be all that you can be, don't settle. A lot of you guys are actually coming up to a time of getting your feet wet into fields that you don't have experience in. So you might find yourself getting callbacks for TV castings, entertainment industry, things like that. Now for Libras, it's all about having fun, as always, being flirty. A lot of you guys are going to be roaming about, traveling this month. In summertime, a lot of you guys will be meeting your loved one, your soulmate, through travel. So that's a good one. Some of you guys are kind of indifferent of if you should settle down, or if you should go to school, if you should be conventional or non-conventional. It's really completely up to you. You don't have to make this decision right this moment. So just enjoy the process of being indifferent. So Scorpio, a lot of you guys need to watch your attitude as far as being feisty, pretty much. So it may not help you. Basically, choose your battles wisely. So just especially in work life, so just think of that, unless you want to change your work life altogether. Some of you guys will be thinking of building and making jobs for yourself a lot this month. Sagittarius, my favorite sign. No, I'm just Sagittarius though. Sagittarius is you are going to be very flighty and all over the place this month, I feel like. So there are going to be people wanting to woo you, take you overseas, take you this place, that place, but it's all up to you how you feel in any given moment. Again, you might be all over the place as far as being indecisive, having so many things going on. Honestly, I keep picturing having being invited to take part in speeches in different places, to speak your truth, things of that nature. So that could be manifesting for some of you guys who have platforms. Capricorns, this month is about you building as well. A lot of you guys are like, should I settle, should I not settle down? A lot of you guys are thinking about marriage a lot, and you know how it would look, but more so go by how it would feel for you. If you want to get married, get married. If you don't, then you know that's nothing that you should feel pressure to do. So the next one is Aquarius. So it's all about for you going with the flow. Changing jobs could be coming up soon for some of you Aquariuses. So enjoy the shift. This might be for the better. So honestly, a lot of signs, again, can learn from loss. Just because you feel like you lost something is not bad. Change is the only constant in our life, and we can look forward to. So enjoy this change, and it could be changing partners, changing friends, changing looks, you know, all of that. And the last one is Pisces. So Pisces, you're going to be very sensitive this month, as always, but you're encouraged to get out more and hang around water, huge bodies of water, get involved in the community. Think of situations that help you get involved in the community, lifeguard situations in summer, beaches, things of that nature. So just get out more. Some of you guys might even want to consider a line working with children. It can help you heal aspects of yourself that was traumatized when you're younger, honestly. So consider that. All of you guys are encouraged to live more freely this month, to get out more, to expand, to grow in every way, shape, and form you think is necessary. So some of you guys, that's further education. For some of you guys, that's roaming and traveling, you know, whatever aspect that works for you. Some of you guys is just being open to love. Some of you guys is just being open to yourself, and exploring your inner deepest desires. But yeah, with that being said, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.